Once upon a time, in a big and peaceful kingdom, there lived a wise and kind king named Rehan. He had 3 sons, Aryan, Zohan, and Rohan. Aryan was the eldest, Zohan the middle one, and Rohan the youngest. They all lived happily in the royal palace. King Rehan loved all his sons equally. He trained them to be brave, strong, and smart. Each of them was kind and helpful to the people. As King Rehan grew older, he became worried. He did not know which son should become the next king. All 3 were good, so the choice was not easy. He thought and thought, but could not decide. One day, he went to visit the wise man of the kingdom. The king asked him, "Whom should I choose as the next king?" The wise man smiled and said, "Give them a task, and the one who completes it best shall be the king." "What task should I give?" asked the king. The wise man replied, "Give them seeds to plant. Tell them to grow a garden with these seeds. After 3 years, visit their gardens. Choose the best one." King Rehan liked this idea. He returned to the palace with a plan. He called Aryan, Zohan, and Rohan to the hall. He gave each of them a small seed. "Plant these seeds in your gardens," he said. "Take care of them. After 3 years, I will visit. Whoever grows the biggest and most beautiful garden will become the next king." The princes took the seeds and started working. Aryan worked every day in his garden. He planted many flowers and green trees. His garden became colorful and bright. Zohan also worked hard in his garden. He planted fruit trees and flowers too. There were apples, peaches, and apricots. His garden was full of life and smell. Rohan planted the seed in his garden. He watered it daily and waited patiently. He worked 3 years in garden, but nothing grew from his seed. 3 years passed. It was time for the king to visit. First, he went to Aryan's garden. He was amazed by the beauty of the flowers. The king smiled and praised Aryan's work. Next, he visited Zohan's garden. The trees were full of fruits and flowers. The king was pleased and gave Zohan a hug. Finally, the king visited Rohan's garden. He was shocked. It was empty and dry. Rohan looked sad and said, "Father, I tried my best, but nothing grew." The king returned to the palace. He called all 3 sons to the royal hall. He looked at them and said, "I have made my decision." Aryan and Zohan smiled proudly, but the king turned to Rohan and said, "You will be the next king." Everyone was surprised. "Why, Rohan?" asked Aryan. "His garden is empty." King Rehan said, "Because I gave you dead seeds. They were not meant to grow. You 2 cheated by using other seeds. But Rohan stayed honest and showed me the truth. A true king must be honest and brave, so Rohan will rule this kingdom after me." Aryan and Zohan felt ashamed and said sorry. Rohan became king and ruled with honesty and kindness. Honesty is the greatest quality of a true leader.